Hey guys, me Derek Akpoju reporting live from our upgrade department head office. Here's our headquarters where we do our upgrade. You can see series of vehicle we do convert here. And here is Toyota Prado GS470 upgrading to Toyota Prado 2018. You can see in front of me the 4Runner. We're upgrading from 2008 to 2019. You can see the vehicle, you can see how and what we do here. Very perfect. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit us up. Your location is not in Barrier, as we usually tell you. Here's the most recent fix 2022 model. We are upgrading this over photo. This 4Runner too. You can see it. This face is the highest of all for now when it comes to our 4Runner upgrade. So thank you for watching.
Are we good to go? I don't say 4Runner. The place I want to work for there again. You want to work for there. We get management issue for this. I not got to work for there. For a solo.
But the place big.
Big. I go put reach yourself. Make I go know the state of things.
Here is Toyota Land Cruiser. Year 2000, we are going to 2020. You can see how it looks. You can see how we perfect the body by installing the light there. Don't forget to connect with us on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok at Derek Motors. Facebook.com/Derek Motors. Thank you for watching.